If gusto mong maging consistent sa walking or running, malaking bagay kapag meron kang nakikitang progress. This is Huawei Band 11. What I like about this for sports is simple lang siya, slim, and hindi siya bulky. And this one is super lightweight and very comfortable, especially kahit long sessions. This supports 100 sports modes, so hindi lang siya pang walking and running. Pwede rin to sa mga nag-gym, cycling, or yoga. For walking, it tracks your steps, distance, calories burned, and workout duration. So instead of saying na feeling ko 3 kilometers na to, kita mo talaga dito yung exact numbers. For running, naka real-time heart rate monitoring siya, and it also tracks recovery and workout data. So week by week, makikita mo talaga ang progress at kung nag-i-improve ka. Battery pala is super solid din, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-charge araw-araw. And if you're building discipline in fitness, this helps you see your progress. And that's what keeps you consistent. You should buy this, bro.